hasn't got this Hulk one. Yeah, they had that too, but I'm not really into the Hulk. This was no time for small talk. It was time to lay things on the table. To reach through that phone line and dig deep into that woman's soul. So, when can we hang out? It's a really crazy weekend for me. It is? It's Thursday night. We're on camp Sunday morning. Who cares how crazy the weekend is? Rehearsal dinner tomorrow night. Wedding on Saturday. Camp on Sunday. Sure. Right, of course. Where's the whole wish to come to the wedding? Where's that Rosemary? The Rosemary I loved. Not Miss Alien with her crazy weekends. You sparring partner. Is he coming to the wedding? What, Tim? Oh, is that what you're calling? You're calling him after you call me?
Gracie.
What are you talking about? I'm talking about you and Tim Staples sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love.
Thanks, guys, for watching. Oh, my cat's doing it again.
You sound crazy, you know that? Why don't you have time this weekend? I'm sorry, Gabe. I haven't even started packing. You know what? I hate you. What? I hate you. Why do you even say I hate you? Well, I hate you too.
She won't do it anymore. Say goodbye to my cat.
I hate you.
Gracie. 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 Thank you guys for watching. That's my cat.